Hey guys, John here from Legendary Automotive. Before I give you my prediction, I'd like to bring awareness to this pin that I'm wearing. This is the Domestic Violence Awareness Month. We all have problems in our lives, but the one thing we don't do is we don't hit our women. Call for help, but that's the last thing you ever want to do, guys. So we want to bring attention to that here. It's a big thing in here at Legendary. Now, the reason I'm here is to give you the lock of the year. This is Johnny Vegas on my side job. Tampa Bay is sitting right now at a 3.5-point underdog. This is an easy pick. You've got to take Tom Brady. Obviously, I'm a huge Brady fan, but he's going to take these Bucs down the field, drive, score. Remember, Kansas City's missing 2 offensive linemen. Mahomes is going to know what hit him. So if you want the over-under lock, you got to call me now. This is Johnny Vegas with your Super Bowl prediction. It's a guaranteed winner. You take Tampa Bay and the points. You can't miss, or the whole year is free. And guys, if you need any work on your cars, that's kind of what we're all about here. So it doesn't matter make or model, whatever problems you're having, give us a call, we can help you. Go Bucs.
Hi, I'm Roger. I'm a technician here at Legendary. I was born in Florida, so obviously my Super Bowl prediction here is for the Tampa Bay Bucs. Go Bucs.
I think the winner is going to be Tampa. 1, because I'm from Florida. Let's go for our home team. And 2, because Tom Brady is in it. Let's go Tampa.
For years and years of being a Dolphins fan, I always hated Tom Brady. Now I love him because he's in Florida and he's no longer in my division. So I have to go with Tampa Bay for the Super Bowl. Kansas City is going to be a hard team to beat, but I'm taking Tom Brady and the Bucs at least by 7, maybe 10 points. Another thing I wanted to speak about today is domestic violence. If you or somebody you know has been affected by this or is being affected by this, we do have a number for you to call, a website for you to go to. If you need help, please do so. We are the shop to be at. We're the shop to work on your vehicles. Excellent customer care, great customer service. We'll always greet you with a smile and do whatever we can to fix your vehicle and have you leave happy.
Steven here at Legendary Automotive. Today we're going to be giving our Super Bowl predictions. My prediction, honestly, is going to be the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, not because of Tom Brady, not because of anything that everyone else seemed to vote for. I don't even know who the Chiefs are. I'm from Florida. Tampa Bay is a Florida team, so I'm going to, let it hit home. I'm going to vote for the team that's close to me. And as far as points, couldn't tell you. All I know is they're going to win. Another thing to take note of this month, it is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. What we have, statistics show that 1 in 3 women and 1 in 4 men are affected by domestic violence in one way or another. So, during all the celebrations and stuff, just remember that there is another cause for the month to think about and reflect on. And, at the end of the day, when everything's said and done and you need service on your vehicle, come to Legendary Automotive, check us out, give us a call, come see us.
Hey guys, Jason here, Legendary Automotive and Truck Service. My Super Bowl prediction for this year is definitely Chiefs, Red Nation, Tom Brady. And all football stuff aside, this month is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. So if you see somebody that you may think that they want to reach out, or of something that's going on, there's plenty of hotlines and there's websites that you can visit. Reach out to those people even if they don't want to reach out to you. Domestic violence is a serious thing, and we need to get this stuff stopped.